Hey everyone, my name's Julia from the Air Sponge Filter Company. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your hinged air filter. So first, press down on the notched hinges on both sides until they click. Then repeat the same step on the opposite side. Then lift up all of the hinges. After that, just roll up your air filter and dispose of it in the garbage. Now you're going to want to take your clean air filter and place it into the frame with the wires facing down. Make sure you tuck it in under all of the hinges. Then press down the notched hinges first. After that, press down the unnotched hinges and make sure that the filter is tucked securely under the hinge before you close it. And then you're going to hear it click just like the beginning. Do the same on the opposite side. And then you're done. You have a clean air filter now. Thanks for watching.